Hi, boys and girls. Please make sure that you write your name at the top of your paper so that your teacher knows who did their work. Now we're going to practice drawing all of the parts to make the number. So the easiest way to do this is to trace over the number, say its name, 7, 8, 9. So how many dots did you draw? 2. Very good. We're all finding ways to get to 9. So let's start with 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many dots did you draw? 3. Very good. On our next problem, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we drew how many dots? 4. Are you noticing a pattern about the dots that we're drawing? Next, we have 4, and keep going till you get to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So we did 5 dots. On the next one, we have 3. Keep counting to get to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we did how many dots? We did 6. On the last one, we're going to say 2 and keep going till we get to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many dots did we draw? We drew 7. So those are all ways to get to 9. Now if you'll turn it over on the back, we are going to be writing numbers that come before the number that you see. So what we're doing is we're counting backwards. So what number comes before 25? 24. Good. 48, 47. We're counting backwards. 62, 61. 17. What comes before? 16. What comes before 30? 29. What comes before 46? 45. What comes before 52? 51. And the number before 34 is 33. Now I want you to do all of the numbers on this side, and by pushing pause, and then when you're finished, push play and check it with mine to see how you did. So go ahead and push pause. All right, boys and girls, I want you to check yours with mine and see how you did. So this should be 64, 31, 47, 73, 35, 79, 91, and the last one should be 45. How did it go? Did you get them right? Good job, boys and girls. Give yourself a smiley face at the top of your paper and do what your teacher wants you to do next.